Hello all, new day, new video and another package, another toy today received. So sharing the package. Yeah, this is from Amazon, as you see. We'll open this and let's see what is there inside. Yeah, there is no box, only the Amazon box, but the car looks good. It's a Bugatti Veyron. It's big. I mean, it's not small. It's a bigger model. And doors open होते हैं इसके. Oh, but one thing I noticed that this is not die cast. Okay, this is plastic. Yes, this is plastic. And secondly, इसके doors आप देख सकते हो. They are not staying open. They just open, and if you just release them, they just retract to the original position. And then it is heavy, but you can understand this is not a die cast model. This is a plastic. So I don't know about the durability. Design is good, color combination is nice. It's golden and grey, and you can see over here the dashboard layout is proper. It's good. Then even the front is done properly. Obviously no Bugatti sign because it's not a licensed model. It's not there behind as well. Rest finishing is good. Being a plastic, it's fairly easy to do the finishing as good. But I'm slightly disappointed. It was mentioned as die cast and this is not a die cast. This is plastic. And these doors won't open. And these doors also don't remain open. That's a disappointment. Or kya hai? Oh, it's not a pullback as well. It's a friction based, as you see. It works like this. It's a friction based, friction powered, you can say. Yeah, see. So this is the on-off switch. You have to do this on, and you have to remove this battery protector. And right away this is on, as you see. The lights are good. What else does it do? Okay. So that's quite some time of the sound. I mean, it's going to consume a battery a lot. I mean, yes. Go again. I think you need to touch it and then it works. Once you lift it or just touch it, it works. So the features are like the die cast. Quite a lot of time. Just shut it down. Okay, AG13 LR44 you can say, as you can see over here. Design of the alloys is good. Overall dual tone color is also good. Finishing is also good. Properly detailed everything. Okay. Only drawback is these doors won't stay open. I think there are no rear lights, obviously, only the front. So the racing sound is given, okay, so that the car is vrooming, but for quite some long time. It would have been good if it would have been a die cast and then these doors should have been kept open or remained open. That is the only thing. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.